I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon, mostly in the mid-30s to the mid-40s. Snow is possible across central and eastern Nebraska tonight on into tomorrow morning. Along the northeast of a line from Valentine to Columbus and Omaha, snow accumulations may reach 1 to 3 inches. Tomorrow, our coolest day, most highs in the 20s to the low 30s. Due to a cold front lifting a little to the north, highs range from the mid-30s over southwest Nebraska to the low 50s in northwest Kansas. Arctic high pressure builds out tomorrow night for clearing skies and lows in the single digits in Nebraska and north central Kansas. Wind chills below zero are likely by Sunday morning. Highs on Sunday mainly in the upper 20s to the 30s. Northwest Kansas, though, a little warmer with highs in the low to mid 40s. A building ridge of high pressure warming our highs into the 50s Monday and the upper 50s to the 60s Tuesday and Wednesday. A cold front drops our highs into the mid 40s to the low 50s on Thursday. Long-term forecast continues the mild weather all the way through Christmas. Temperatures for Nebraska, Kansas, and nearly all of the U.S. Wednesday through Christmas Day likely to be warmer than normal. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation mostly below normal Wednesday through December 25th. Key weather factors influencing the markets include one last shot of snow and Arctic air this weekend in the U.S. and beneficial rain for Brazil. A pair of fast-moving areas of low pressure produce stripes of mostly light snow from the northern plains into parts of the mid and northern Atlantic. Very cold air peaks Sunday and Monday with temperatures colder than 20 below in much of the northern plains. Readings below zero should occur as far south as northern Missouri Sunday and the Ohio River on Monday. That contrasts with unusually warm air covering much of the western U.S., including much warmer than normal temperatures spreading as far east as the plains during the early to middle of next week. Dry weather prevails across the southern half of the U.S., aside from a few showers from the western Gulf Coast into the Carolinas. On the Mississippi River, a lot of snow in the Midwest should help to slowly increase water levels, especially with milder air next week, but rainfall is expected to trend below normal. In central Brazil, soil moisture is much better from recent heavy rain for developing to reproductive soybeans. Rains continue through the foreseeable future in central Brazil, just not as heavy. Across south central Brazil, heavy rain today through tomorrow is followed by one more shot early next week, maintaining conditions that are favorable or improving. For the Black Sea region, rain this week continues through the weekend, but drought still a concern as wheat went dormant late and mostly in questionable condition. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.